Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest survival products on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best survival things of this year. If you want to buy these amazing products, then go through the links which are given in the description box. Product 1. Product name: Tick Remover Tool Portable. The Tick Remover Tool Portable is a versatile and essential accessory designed for both pets and humans to ensure safe and effective tick removal. This product is particularly valuable for outdoor enthusiasts and pet owners, providing a reliable solution for addressing tick infestations painlessly. Here's an overview of its key features and benefits. Key features: safe and reliable. The tool is engineered to securely remove ticks without leaving parts of the tick behind, reducing the risk of infection or complications. Pain-free. Its design ensures a painless removal process for both pets and humans, making it less stressful for all. Portable, compact and easy to carry. This tool can be conveniently taken along on outdoor activities, ensuring readiness for any tick encounters. Product 2. Product name: Grail GeoPress 24-ounce Water Purifier Bottle. The Grail GeoPress 24-ounce Water Purifier Bottle is an essential tool for anyone who enjoys hiking, camping, survival situations, or travel. Designed to provide clean drinking water from virtually any freshwater source, it is an indispensable item for outdoor enthusiasts and travelers. Key features: advanced filtration technology. The GeoPress uses electroadsorption and activated carbon to remove 99.99% of viruses, bacteria, and protozoan cysts. This makes it highly effective in purifying water from streams, lakes, or even questionable tap water. Rapid purification. The filtration process is quick and straightforward, taking about 8 seconds to produce 24 ounces of clean water. Simply fill the outer container with water, press the inner container through the filter, and you have safe drinking water. Durability and portability. Built with rugged, BPA-free materials, the GeoPress is designed to withstand harsh conditions. Its compact size and lightweight design, 10.9 ounces, make it easy to carry in a backpack or travel bag. Product 3. Product name: Sportneer Compass. The Sportneer Compass is designed for outdoor enthusiasts who need reliable navigation tools during their adventures. This hiking compass offers a range of features ideal for hiking, climbing, biking, exploring, and geology. It is waterproof and shockproof, ensuring durability and functionality in various challenging environments. The military-grade construction provides precise directional assistance, making it a valuable tool for outdoor activities. Whether you're navigating through dense forests or scaling rocky terrains, the Sportneer Compass is built to withstand tough conditions while helping you stay on course. Product 4. Product name: Mossy Oak Survival Hunting Knife. The Mossy Oak Survival Hunting Knife is a versatile and essential tool designed for outdoor enthusiasts, including those who enjoy camping, hiking, bushcraft, and survival activities. This comprehensive knife package includes a 15-inch fixed-blade tactical Bowie knife, a sheath for safe storage, a sharpener, and a fire starter, making it an ideal companion for various outdoor adventures. Key features: 15-inch fixed-blade tactical Bowie knife. The blade is crafted for durability and precision, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks such as cutting, chopping, and slicing. Its size and design offer a balance between power and maneuverability, ensuring efficient use in different outdoor scenarios. Sheath. The included sheath ensures safe and convenient storage and transport of the knife. It also provides quick access, essential for survival situations where time and efficiency are critical. Product 5. Product name: Energizer Alkaline Power AAA Batteries. The Energizer Alkaline Power AAA batteries, 32-pack, are designed to deliver reliable and long-lasting power, making them an essential choice for various household and outdoor gadgets. These AAA batteries are suitable for devices that require consistent and dependable energy, such as GPS running watches like the Garmin Forerunner 55 and Garmin Instinct 2X Solar. They are also ideal for portable air pumps like the Lachine P for smart air pump and essential car accessories such as auto interior cleaning brushes and DIY windshield repair tools. The 32-pack ensures you have plenty of batteries on hand for various needs, from camping and hiking gear, such as the Grail GeoPress water purifier bottle and Sportneer hiking compass, to high-demand electronics like Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro and Soundcore by Ankerspace A40 wireless earbuds. The long-lasting nature of these batteries makes them a cost-effective and convenient solution for both everyday use and emergency preparedness. Product 6. Product name: Powerlix Ultralight Inflatable Sleeping Pad. The Powerlix Ultralight Inflatable Sleeping Pad is a high-quality camping mattress designed for backpacking and hiking. It offers an excellent balance between comfort and portability, making it a perfect addition to your outdoor gear. Here's an overview of its key features. Key features: ultralight and compact. The sleeping pad is designed to be ultralight, ensuring it doesn't add unnecessary weight to your backpack. It folds into a compact size, making it easy to carry and store in the provided carry bag. Comfort and support. The pad features an innovative hexagon design that conforms to the contours of your body, providing support and comfort throughout the night. Product 7. Product name: First Aid Universal Aluminum Splint. The ever-ready First Aid Universal Aluminum Splint, 24-inch rolled, 3-pack is a versatile and essential item for any first aid kit, particularly for those who are active in outdoor activities such as hiking, camping, climbing, and biking. This splint is designed to provide support and immobilization for injured limbs, making it an invaluable tool for treating sprains, fractures, and other injuries in emergency situations. Key features: durability and flexibility. The splint is made of a malleable aluminum core, which allows it to be shaped and molded to fit various parts of the body, providing customized support and stability. Lightweight and portable, weighing very little and being compact when rolled up, it can be easily carried in a backpack or first aid kit without adding significant weight or bulk.